Guess who's making waves on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart? It's none other than Masicka with his sizzling debut album, Generation of Kings, and we've got the Deets. Released on December 1st, Masicka's 17-track masterpiece is making headlines, clocking in an impressive 3,500 units in sales and streaming in the US during its first week. Hold up, that's not all, 600 copies flew off the shelves, and a whopping 4.4 million streamed this reggae sensation. Talk about a royal takeover. But wait, the tea doesn't stop there. Including pre-release singles Tyrant and Limelight, the album's lifetime sales sit pretty at 7,600 units, with a jaw-dropping 11.1 million in audio and video streams in the US. Can we get a round of applause for Masicka? Now, let's throw it back to Masicka's debut album 438, which dropped in December 2021 and snagged the number 2 spot on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. That bad boy went on to sell over 50,000 units in the US. Hold on, did I mention the star-studded lineup on Generation of Kings? Popcon, Adaps, Spice, Chronic Law, Lila Ike, Fave, and Friday brought the heat, and Masicka himself is flexing those producer muscles on 10 tracks. Talk about a musical powerhouse. And here's the million-dollar question for you, our fabulous viewers: what's your favorite Masicka track from Generation of Kings? Are you vibing with Infrared, Leader, or maybe Top Form? Drop those comments below. Mika Journey from the Caribbean to Def Jam, aiming for the stars in the US music scene. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive updates.